Oh, I already see what it is. He thinks he's a gangster. Mr. Call it Paul. He thinks you're gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Beamers and Impalas, dogs and them ballers. Ain't nothing safe when them things start. Look, man, keep thinking we shook, man. Going like Bethune and Cook, man. You ain't ready for the things. Look, Trump, you really think you live? We can take this thing outside. Park the dog, park the trunk, and let them things. Think you're gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Si me va a tirar, que tiren bien. A mí no me importa quién. Un consejo que lo piensen bien. Ten cuidado que yo vengo 100. Prepárate, yo no juego. Lo único que tengo es mi palabra y los dos huevos. So respeten el movimiento. Oye, deja el invento. Vengo, mira, papo, lo siento. Pero la verdad es que yo no pueden con esto. Y si tú crees que lo tienen bien puesto, entonces ponte puesto. Dale. Think you're gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. I blow your lights out. Them day kind of boys write shutters with the pipes out. And they put the pipe out. My question is, who wanna fight now? Well, when you ride by the blocks and overlock, all they scream is yeah. Este cubanito no Willy Chirino, pero ya él, yeah. It's my time, my turn, my grind. If you think it's a game, play with it right. You think you're gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. You think you're gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you're gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. It'll burn. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. It'll burn. Cuidado con el fuego. You think you're gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you're gangster. Don't cross the line. Mr. Call it Paul. Mr. Call it Paul. If you think it's a game, play with it, man. Play with it, man. Ain't nothing safe when the things start.
Let's learn Fuego. It's choreographed by Kelley Lundeen. It is a 48 count 4-wall improver intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Fuego. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock and weave, so we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to weave, crossing our right behind your left foot to the side, and cross your right over your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to weave, crossing left behind right, right foot to the side, and cross left over right. So let's try that with some counts, rocking to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do heel switches. We're going to place our right heel forward, quickly step our right next to our left, and place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right. You're now going to step forward with your right foot, and you're going to swivel both heels to the right and then back center, putting your weight onto your left foot. And we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right foot back, left together, right forward. You're then going to step forward with your left. You're going to swivel both heels to the left and back center, putting weight onto your right foot. Let's try that with some counts, starting with your heel switches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. And then we're going to do heel switches, placing your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and you're going to do a half shuffle over your right shoulder by making a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our swivel with our left weights on your right. You're doing your coaster step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to do a rock in a 3/4 shuffle. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, and then you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot next to your left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to kick forward with your right foot. You're going to kick your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your rock in your 3/4 shuffle. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5, we're going to kick our left foot forward, kick your left foot to the side, and you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to shimmy your hips. You're going to bump right, left, right, putting your weight onto your right foot, and then you're going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right foot out to the side, and left foot out to the side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your kick. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do 2 sailor steps, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. You're now going to do a left sailor step, cross your left behind your right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. You're now going to cross your right over your left, and you're going to do a 3-count unwind, full turn over your left shoulder, coming back to 9 o'clock, weights on your left foot, and you have the choice if you would like to clap there or not. You don't have to. And then you would start the dance all over again with your rock and weave. So let's try that last section with some counts. We just did our sailor step. You're going to do your 2 sailor steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your 8 if you want to clap. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to do your rock and weave. Side rock. Recover, behind, side, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Heel step, step, swivel, coaster step, step, swivel, coaster step, heel step, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, 3/4 shuffle, kick forward, side right, coaster step, kick forward, side left, coaster step, step, side, shake in your sailor step, sailor step, cross in your full unwind, and if you would like to clap, clap. Let's try it with some counts. Rocking to the side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure you're ending that unwind with your weight on your left foot so that you can start all over again. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your rock and weave. Rock, recover, weave, behind, side, cross. Rock, recover, weave, behind, side, cross. Heel step, step, swivel, coaster step, step, swivel, coaster step, heel step, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, 3/4 shuffle, kick forward, side, coaster, step, kick forward, side, coaster, step, step, side with a shake and a sailor step, sailor step, cross, full unwind, now rock to the side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, weave. Side rock, recover, weave. Now your heel switches. Heel, step, step, swivel. Coaster, step, swivel. Coaster, step, heel, step, rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, 3/4 shuffle. Now your kick, forward, side, and your coaster step. Kick forward, side, coaster, step, side. Shimmy in your sailor step, sailor step. Cross, full unwind, now rock and weave. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so you could go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Fuego. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Oh, I already see what it is. He thinks he's a gangster. Mr. Call it Paul. Thanks a gangster, cause you did time. Oh, listen, you gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Beamers and Impalas, thugs and ballers. Ain't nothing safe when them things start. Look, man, keep thinking we shook, man. You don't like Bethune and Cook, man. You ain't ready for them things. Look, chump, you really think you lied? We can take this thing outside. Park the dog, park the trunk, and let them things. Think you're gangster, cause you did time. Oh, listen, you gangster. Don't cross the line. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Cuidado con el fuego. Si me van a tirar, que tiren bien. A mí no me importa quién. Un consejo que lo piensen bien. Ten cuidado que yo vengo 100. Prepárate, yo no juego. Lo único que tengo es mi palabra y los 2 huevos. So respeten el movimiento. Oye, deja el invento. Vengo, mira, papo, lo siento. Pero la verdad es que no pueden con esto. Y si tú crees que lo tienen bien puesto, entonces ponte puesto. Dale. Thanks for gangster, cause you did time. Oh, listen, you gangster. Don't